Hello, my name is Sister Ann Therese Kelly, or as you can call me online, Sister Kelly. I'm your online teacher for Art 315, Experiencing the Arts. I was at Felician University from the year 2000 to 2010, head of the art department, and I'm now in Buffalo, New York. So to be clear, I am not in New Jersey. So if you can't come to my office unless you want to travel 7 to 8 hours. Anyways, this is my introduction to you to show you an example of your introduction. It just has to be short, 3 to 5 minutes at the most. And I just want you to tell me a little bit about yourself, what your major is, what year you're in, why you're taking this course perhaps. I'm teaching this course, I'm an artist, so I teach this course as an artist. I have a master's in fine arts from the Rochester Institute of Technology in printmaking, but I am by profession for the last 20 years a glass artist. I do stained glass. If you're on the Rutherford campus at all, my skylight, which is about 10 feet long, is a stained glass piece that you can go see by the chapel at the top of the stairs and the entranceway. And anyways, that's what I do, and I do stained glass commissions for churches and other uh, building projects with architects. My latest window is in Ghana, Africa, and I just sent it over not long ago. I have an installation going up very shortly in a church locally here in the Buffalo area. I live in Buffalo, New York, and I teach art history for Felician University online. Since I left in 2010 when my mother got ill, I brought all my online courses along with me, and I've been teaching it for 20 years now online. So my other course this semester is an art history course as well. So anyways, that's it. And I'd like you to do the same. Give me an introduction of yourself in this video. And you don't need to hold up your ID in this video because I don't want it to go public. So that will be a JPEG image in your paper that you submit with your information to me. And the purpose of that is to be sure you are who you say you are when you're taking this course, that someone else is not taking it for you. Okay? So thank you very much. Please make your video and submit it. Take care.